look like a guy, or like why do I look like a mom of four? So my name is Ananya Dalmia and welcome back to my channel. And by this point, by reading the title of this video, आप लोगों को पता चल गया होगा कि I absolutely love Amazon. मतलब the stuff out there is so good. Yeah, I found some really good stuff on Amazon again this time. So let's get into the video. And also, I don't know why, I've been posting kind of regularly now. मतलब जब मैं नहीं post कर रही थी तब की तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर सकती हूँ. But now that I've been posting regularly, even on shorts, I am not getting views. I don't know why. Like, if you have any ideas or you know that something's wrong, just let me know in the comments down below, because it's actually very disappointing. Because एक वीडियो बनाने में it takes a lot of efforts, and I don't know why am I not getting the views, or are the products not good? I really don't know what is happening. Maybe I just need to post consistently for another 2 months to actually get back where I was. So yeah, just let me know what is happening, because it just is really disappointing and annoying sometimes. Well, I'm not blaming it on anyone but me, but like, yes, it is. Anyways, let's just get into the video. I have got some really nice stuff this time. So yeah, let me just show them to you. Yeah, first of all, I have one of my favorite items out here. I saw this and I was like, I need it in my wardrobe because the material is so soft. I hope you can feel it. It's not ironed, which is kind of a, I need to iron it, but obviously I won't. Yeah, but yeah, this is the dress. I love it, and let's just try it on and see how it looks. Okay, you all. So this is the dress, and one thing that I just found out is that it has got pockets, and on both the sides. It has got pockets on both the sides, and isn't that every girl's dream? I love it. And also, just look at the color. It screams summer. Also, just accessorize it. I have got one another thing that I want to add, so I'm just going to show it right now. Okay, so the next product is this watch. Is the watch. It's like a ring watch, and I'm just going to I'm just going to wear it. And also, it has got, wait. And also it has got like a stretchable band situation, so that you can wear it in any of your fingers. I personally love to wear it in this one. Yeah, this is how it looks, and you just adding a few accessories to your outfit just elevates it so much. I absolutely love the dress, plus the fact that it has got pockets. And then I have just paired it with a minimal white bag, because I don't want there to be a lot of colors in this outfit, because I already have green and golden going on. So just white just makes it look so good. I'm just going to show you the full outfit. Okay, first of all, this is the ring, and it's so pretty. I absolutely love it. And yeah, now here's the full outfit. Okay, so this is the full outfit. I love the length. मतलब आपके एकदम knees तक आ रहा है. It has got pockets. Okay, so the price for this dress is 950 rupees, and I got this one in size medium. I would say if you're looking for a perfect vacation dress, or even if I'm going out with my girls to have a brunch, I think this is such a cute outfit. So yeah, that was about it. And yeah, now let's move on to the next fit. And also the price for the ring is 215 rupees or 230 rupees something. So yeah, I'm going to write the price over here. And yeah, now let's move on to the next item. Okay, you also have already showed you two items. Now moving on to the third one. I am just like so exhausted today, so that is why I'm not able to film properly. But yeah, I have got these glasses. They look very pretty, and I have seen a lot of people using them online. So I thought I should also give this one a try. And the quality is amazing, by the way. And this is how they look. Now I don't like wearing glasses, but what I like is using them this way. Okay, I'm not a sunglasses person, but these don't look that bad. I mean, I don't hate myself in these, and I think that is enough. I really don't hate myself in these. because usually when I put on glasses, I'm like, why do I look like a guy, or like why do I look like a mom of four? But yeah, these are really good. I actually like them. But let me just tell you the price for. Okay, so I got these for 469 rupees, which I think is a great price. So yeah, that was about it. The quality is really nice. Okay, so a clear view for you all. This is how they look. The quality is actually very nice. You see that? This one is actually a 10 out of 10 for me. And now let's move on to the next item. I think I've just created an outfit out of all the things that I bought, the jewelry, the glasses, and now I have a footwear. So for the footwear, I think I've got the wrong size, but let's ignore that. Okay, so this is the footwear, and I really like something that is like just this small, so that it's very easy and comfortable to walk in. Any footwear with this grip is very comfortable, so I love it. And though it's kind of big, let's just wear it. Oh no, it's actually perfect. Like इस पे 40 लिखा हुआ था and I'm a 37, so I thought these were big. मैंने इसको पहन के नहीं देखा था. But yeah, these are perfect, bro. I thought मुझे इसका size exchange करना पड़ेगा, but then these are good. Oh wow. Okay, guys, so this is the footwear. It is so comfortable, like so comfortable to walk in. This one has that cushiony feel to it. I just feel like I'm walking on clouds, and see, it fits perfectly. मतलब I think एक size बड़ा है, but yeah, I think I am good. I think मैं exchange भी कर सकती हूँ because it actually looks very nice. And if you're someone who goes to college or maybe office, corporate jobs, I think this is a really nice footwear because it elevates your outfit. Because आपके अगर outfit में heels होती हैं, it automatically makes you feel very confident, and this is very comfortable. So if you're going by metro, I know that's a task. So I'm saying it out of personal experience that this is going to be very comfortable. And let me just tell you the price for this one. Okay, so the price for this one is 999 rupees, and I got this in size 37 because that's what fits me. And now let's move on to the next item. Okay, y'all. So moving on, this is the next dress. It is like a very flowy dress. So if you're looking for a dress for your birthday, or maybe like a wait a minute, yeah, or maybe like a really fun occasion where you can wear a very extravagant dress, I think this is such a good option. Let me just show you the full dress. And this looks so pretty, and it has got a chain on the side to secure it properly, and the puff sleeves are so pretty. I feel like I'm in a Barbie movie by wearing this one. So pretty, I can't like stop twirling around. Like, can you see that? It's so good. And yeah, the price for this one is 950 rupees, and I got this one in size medium. Absolutely love it. And yeah, that was about it. So yeah guys, that was about it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'm not going to ask you to subscribe again because I think I've done that like a million times and I don't want to do it anymore. So that was about it, and I'll see you guys in the next haul.